The following message is sent from the request of the Delaware County Police Agency. Local authorities have seen and reported what seems to be a cartoonish-looking gorilla with red eyes, no legs, and it moves using its arms. Although not confirmed yet, this creature appears to be from the popular VR game gorilla tag named PBBV. The area has been blocked off due to the unknown nature of the creature. Stay indoors. The following message is sent from the request of the Delaware County Police Agency. The situation with PBBV has worsened. Another character from the popular VR game gorilla tag named Daisy09. Local citizens have reported hearing the song Daisy Bell from its location. Please stay indoors until further notice. The situation with PBBV is not going well. People have reported seeing PBBV destroying small houses. Please stay indoors.
Last, the photographer was ready. No one had noticed Diesel wasn't there. Thomas was very relieved. But just then, Diesel oiled round the bend. Diesel was surprised to see all the engines. He screeched to a halt. Rolls of
The following message is sent from the request of the Atlanta Police Agency. Local residents have reported a giant gorilla with a blue hat and destroying buildings and mauling the citizens to death. Although not confirmed yet, this could have something to do with the ongoing situation in Pennsylvania. Please shelter 8 Beat Place until further notice. The following message is sent from the request of the Pennsylvania government agency. Hundreds of gorilla tag characters have showed up all over the following locations: Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Newtown Square, Harrisburg, Gettysburg, Erie, and Valley Forge. All of the people in these locations should shelter in place until further notice.
More like a lamatorium. Welcome, gamers, and behold!
The following message is sent from the request of the Pennsylvania government agency. The gorilla tag characters are moving across multiple states. These states include Pennsylvania, Delaware, West Virginia, Virginia, District of Columbia, Maryland, New York, Ohio, Georgia, and Connecticut. All of the listed locations should shelter in place until further notice. Grab non-perishable food and bottled water. May God help us defeat these creatures. The following message is sent from the request of the United States government agency. Thousands of the guerrilla tag characters such as Echo, J3VU, Bees, and Banshee have all been wreaking havoc on the entire nation. This is a national emergency. Please stay indoors, grab non-perishable food, water, and your loved ones. Do not answer the door for anyone, because it could be a guerrilla tag character, or as we nickname them, ghosts. There is hope. I repeat, there is hope.